In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text pop-up in Squarespace. Create a custom tooltip in Squarespace. A tooltip is a small message that appears when someone hovers over or clicks a piece of text. We'll build two versions, a pure CSS hover tooltip and a click-to-show tooltip that uses a tiny bit of JavaScript. Both approaches use Squarespace's built-in code block and the custom CSS panel, so you don't need any external tools. Start by opening the page you want to edit and add a code block. Make sure it's a code block, not markdown or text. Inside that block, paste the HTML for your tooltip trigger text and the hidden message. The HTML simply wraps your word or phrase in a container and includes the tooltip text in a child element that will be revealed by CSS when someone hovers. This is the hover version. Next, add the styling that does the real magic. Go to Website, then Design, and open Custom CS. You can also put it in Page Settings, Advanced Header Code Injection if you want it only on a single page. Paste the CSS that positions the tooltip, hides it by default with opacity and visibility, and shows it on hover. The CSS also controls the look, background, text color, padding, rounded corners, and the little arrow, plus a smooth transition so it fades in instead of popping abruptly. If the tooltip appears behind other elements, raise its Z index. For longer messages, add a max width and let the text wrap. Save your changes and preview to confirm the hover works. If you prefer a click interaction or want something that feels better on touchscreens, switch to the click-to-show method. The HTML structure is the same idea, but the trigger uses a class designed for clicks. Reuse the same CSS from earlier. The styling doesn't change. Now add a tiny script to handle the toggle. Go to Settings, Advanced Code Injection, and paste it into the footer area, or put it in a code block below your tooltip. The script listens for clicks on the trigger, adds or removes an active class, and closes the tooltip when you click outside. If you're using the chapter markers in this video, click on JavaScript now to see exactly where it goes. To customize, edit colors, adjust the tooltip's position with bottom, left, or transform, and fine-tune transitions or a subtle scale effect. You can tweak the arrow by changing border sizes and add a small delay to reduce hover flicker. Keep contrast high for readability and test on mobile to ensure it doesn't run off screen. If you're following along, click on optional customizations for a quick tour. That's it. You've got clean, reusable text pop-ups in Squarespace with hover and click options. Save your page, test a few phrases, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.